so you want to create a data analysis or something else with Google News. SerpApi can help you with that in an easy-to-use fashion. To get started, head over to Documentation and then click on Playground page. Make sure you're on the Google Search API. Change search type to Google News. Now enter a search query and wait for results. Here I'm showing how you can see which element belongs to the JSON key. Playground will automatically highlight this element in red. This is handy to understand which JSON key to call in your script. You can also add other available parameters depending on your needs. Now to the actual code. Click on the Export to Code Playground feature. Choose whatever language you're the most comfortable with, and click the Copy button. In this case, I'm using Python. In the editor, we need to import libraries. Add search query parameters. The only difference from the copied boilerplate is that we need to change getDictionary method to pagination method, which will iterate over all available pages, and will return an iterator. Then we're creating a temporary list to store extracted data, adding a for loop to iterate over all pages. I've also added an enumerate function just to show you which page is currently being parsed. Then we need another for loop to iterate over actual news results data, and then we need to append it to the temporary list and print the results. Here's the actual output, which in total scraped 36 news pages from a given search query. If you'll be comparing number of pages in your browser, make sure to add country of the search and language parameters to United States and English accordingly, because this parameters will affect the number of results as Google displays it differently. As you can see, it was pretty easy thing to do. I hope you found it useful. See you in the next video.